Hello my fellow content creators and welcome back to my channel. My name is DUECEZ and today's episode I'm going to talk about how I'm stressed out making content for all my channels. I have 2 YouTube channels and I have 2 TikTok channels, and making content for social media should be a fun experience for everybody. Some people are able to make money off of it, but I started making content just to have fun with it. Now, the problem is that I feel that I need to please everybody that comes to all my channels, and I feel like I don't have enough time between all the things that I'm doing in life, like working, hanging out with my family, and trying to edit and post videos to every single one of my channels. So, starting today, I'm going to try to figure out a way to post and keep you guys updated to let you guys know what is going on and how I'm going to move forward with social media. I'm going to continue to post videos of motorcycle related content to my TikTok account and this YouTube account with the same name. So if you want to follow me, my name is DUECEZ, and this is where you'll find all my motorcycle related content, whether I go to events or I'm just riding like I am now on the highway to and from work. I appreciate all the people who follow me. I appreciate all the people who subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy my content, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends about my channel, comment. That's the best thing you guys can actually do, is comment on my videos and let me know how I'm doing. I don't know if I'm getting to people out there in the world without you guys commenting or letting me know how I'm doing. So, thank you all for everything you guys do for me, and I will do my best to pay it forward to you guys and make better content as I progress. Till next time, deuces. Enjoy the rest of this video.